Tired of being broke and want to find your bliss already? Discover spiritual secrets to skyrocket your bank account. Hi, I'm Binahtiyah from Aware Multimedia. I create digital marketing content for spiritual entrepreneurs. If that's you, then download the ebook in the description box below to make sure you're not making the 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. Spiritual money and its connection to spirituality. Spiritual money isn't about making quick bucks through unethical means. It's about understanding the energetic exchange that governs the universe and aligning yourself with its natural flow. The difference lies in your spiritual alignment and the way you perceive abundance. Embrace the idea that money is an energetic force, and just like love or joy, you become a magnet for prosperity. Awaken the Starseed and Lightworker within. Embracing this identity empowers you. Recognize your inherent potential, your creativity, and your capacity to manifest abundance in alignment with your soul's purpose. Money spells and rituals. Embrace the diverse set of tools to enhance your connection with the divine and manifest your desires. Money spells and rituals are very powerful ways to align your energy to abundance. A simple yet potent money spell involves setting your intentions, lighting a green candle, which symbolizes money, and visualize money flowing into your life. Embrace your digital entrepreneurial path. Take time to explore the digital landscape, reach broader audience, and make a positive impact on their lives while aligning your spiritual values. You can offer coaching, sell handmade spiritual crafts, or create digital products. Mastering the art of building wealth. It's an art that requires blending of strategies, perseverance, and spiritual alignment. It's not just about earning money, but also wisely investing and growing it over time. Let go of scarcity thinking and embrace the mindset of abundance. Cultivating the right money mindset. Did you know that your thoughts have a profound impact on your financial reality? All this time, and I didn't know it, but now I know it. Money mindset can either set you free and propel you forward or hold you back and keep you broke. You get to choose. Recognize any limiting beliefs that you might hold around money. You've heard of the saying, money's the root of all evil, or I'm not good with finances. Those are limiting beliefs. Those are thought patterns that we say them without really knowing what we're saying and understanding that we're literally programming ourselves. So if you're doing it, you need to stop doing that. Consciously replace those limiting beliefs with positive affirmations like I attract money easily, or I am a powerful creator of abundance. Balancing spirituality and money. You've heard that, right? Spiritual people aren't supposed to have money. I don't know where that came from, but how are you going to be spiritual and not have money? And spirituality is about the things that you do and the impact that you have. Okay? Are you wondering whether you should be making money off of your spiritual endeavors? Yes, you're supposed to. That's my answer. Yes, it is. Yeah, if you've taken the time and putting the effort to do those things, you should be compensated for it. It ain't free. Energy isn't free. Air isn't free. You breathe in, you got to breathe out. It's the same principle. I don't know why we get that mixed up. And I don't know why spiritual people get all funny about money. Remember, wealth used responsibly can be a powerful tool for good. Stay true to your spiritual values. Money only amplifies what it is that you do and how it is that you are. Money amplifies what is already there. And you know what I mean. So if you're good, you're good. If you're not, then you know what I'm talking about. Use affirmations to rewire your subconscious mind to support your financial goals and aspirations. Remember, the path from being broke to experiencing bliss in your bank account is a journey of self-discovery and alignment. So embrace your identity as Starseed or Lightworker. Leverage the power of money spells and rituals. Explore the world of online entrepreneurship and cultivate a wealth mindset. And you'll witness the magical transformation in your life and your bank account. Download the ebook in the description box below to make sure you're not making the 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like, share, comment, and consider subscribing to this channel. Remember to hit that notification bell for upcoming videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.